Oh, sorry.
How are you?
Hello, welcome. How are you?
Thank you, very good.
I'll start the service, I start the ovens.
No, if you look for Miami or... Nothing is missing. So nice. So well.
Thank you. Can you present us briefly the cabin?
Pardon me?
Can you present us briefly the cabin?
Okay, yeah, sure. I can present the seat.
Yes.
So to control the suit, you can use these suit functions. These are the simple ones. This one is for closing the suit door fully. This one is for takeoff, flat bed, and slightly reclined for dining. There is also more advanced settings on the mode controller. You press here and you can navigate through here one touch. So there is another 7 settings. You can move individually the arms.
7 in addition to this 4? Okay.
Oh, sorry, not in addition, but included.
Okay.
You also have the goodies basket here, which we replenish throughout the flight. Mini bar. We can bring ice or lemon anytime you wish. So there is a Byredo products here. This is a chamomile mist for pillow, so you can sleep better. There is a chamomile roll-on which you place here. You can also, it makes you fall asleep faster. There is a stationary kit here as well. These ones are for you, so you can take those with you when you travel as a passenger. There is a noise cancelling headset here.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, and nice to meeting you.
Hello, take a picture. Oh, wait. Without this, please, you see what you meet me? Always do the best.
Tomorrow. We are here.
These are the complimentary drinks.
Oh, yes,
Because of what?